Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to send voice recordings on Messenger. To send voice recordings on Facebook Messenger, these are the steps that you need to take. Launch the Messenger app on your mobile device, which of course I've done right here. Tap on the chats where you want to send the voice recording. If you check the bottom of your screen, you're going to find three icons which include chats, Meta AI, and highlights. Click on chats, and that opens up the chats window where you have all your chats organized. So click on the chart, tap on the chat where you want to send the voice recording. The next thing is to tap and hold the microphone icon located next to the message input field. Now this activates the voice recording feature. This is it at the bottom. So click on that, and once you click on that, you can now start recording. I'm recording, I'm recording, I'm recording. Once you are done, the next thing you need to do is to click on the arrow icon which indicates send. Okay, so click on the arrow icon, and that's it. You will be able to send it, and once you send it, the recipient is going to receive it and listen to the beautiful things that you have to say. So after sending, you can listen to the voice message by tapping on it within the chat. And how do you do that? Just go ahead and locate the recording that you want to listen to and click on the play icon. And once you click on the play icon, you will be able to listen to the amazing things that you have to say. Now, ensure you are in a quiet environment to avoid background noise in your recordings if you want to sound really good. And make sure Messenger has permission to access your microphone. If you're using the iOS, go to settings, the Messenger, and ensure microphone is enabled. If you're using Android, go to settings, apps, Messenger, permission, and ensure microphone is enabled. So by these steps, you can easily send voice recordings using the Messenger app. Now, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.